In this video, I'll be showing you how to download the code examples for the HTML and CSS Quick Start Guide. If you've ever unzipped files from the internet before, you really won't need to watch this video, but for those who downloading a zip file and extracting it to use it is a new idea, you'll want to watch this brief video. While you can get the examples by chapter here in the chapter selection group, below it is a large button that says download all code examples. Now it's a pretty large file as file sizes go for HTML at 17.5 megabytes, but that's because of some of the media that will be used in later chapters being included in this entire download. Now if you can't do big downloads because of a slow internet connection, you'll just want to do one chapter at a time. And as it says in the assignment in Module 1, please go ahead and explain the process that you did and why you did it. So I'm going to click on the Download All Code Examples button. It's going to ask where I want to save that file. And I'm going to go into my folder for this class. And I'll write text downloads. Now at the moment, I'm just saving this zipped file. I'll open that folder I made for downloaded files. I'll select Save. And depending on what browser you're using, you'll have some kind of status mark as to how long it's taking to download your file. I have a very fast internet connection here at my house. So I'll go ahead and open that up, and I can see all the files here in this folder. And it is in my CCV folder, which I have a web dev folder. I have a text downloads folder I made in that, and it made a new folder with all of these folders in it. You'll also see up here that it says extract all files. Now I'm operating a Windows 7 machine. If you have a Windows 10 machine, it will actually be highlighted in a pink or an orange color. You're going to want to click that button, and a new window will open and ask where you want to put that. Now it's going to put that inside itself. I'm going to actually browse and make sure I know exactly where I'm putting this file. I'm going to, in my E drive, in my web dev folder, and then I think I'm just going to go ahead and I'll do the text downloads, and I'll download it in that root folder, and I'll hit extract. So it's taking a little moment to extract all those files. I kind of think of extraction as like those vacuum bags that you can pack your clothes tightly in so you can fit more clothes into your suitcase. It's kind of what zipping or compressing a folder does. You can't really use the items in the folders without extracting them. Some of them might give you a sense that you can look at them or use them, but it isn't. It's kind of a fake sense of security there. So now we have all of the files that we need. They might have different type names out here for you depending on what your file association settings are on your computer, but it's that simple. When you browse on your computer, in my web development folder, I hit text downloads, and here are all the chapters with all of the information. It's that simple.